In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Philips soundbar to your TV using an optical cable like this one. It does not come included with an optical cable in the box, so this is why I'll put a link in the description to get one from Amazon if you don't already have one. So let's get started. The first step is to go on the back of this soundbar, so I'll simply flip it this way to expose the ports. And we need to connect one end of this optical cable right over here where it says optical. Okay, so simply push it. So if you're using a brand new cable, by the way, the tip of the cable may have a rubber protecting it. Many people don't notice it, but you need to remove this protector before using the cable. If not, it will not work. So once you connect one end over here, let's go on the back of your television. On this LG TV, the optical out connector of this TV is located on the back here. So we're going to connect the other end of the cable directly there. Okay, make sure it's staying in place. Okay, sometimes you see if you're simply pulling it slightly and it goes out. Okay, now it's connected. It needs to click. You're gonna turn on your soundbar, and most Philips soundbar don't have any screen. It only has a light that changes color. This light needs to be yellow. If it's yellow, it's in optical mode. So you're gonna press the button over here that has the arrow with a circle around it until that light turns to yellow. Here we go, it's yellow. Next, take the remote control off your TV and we need to go into the settings. This is an LG TV, but if your TV is not LG, it will look different. We need to go where it says sound out, and instead of TV speakers, select this and change this until you get optical out device. Here we go. You need to select this and the sound will now go from the TV through the speakers of your soundbar. Hopefully this will work and you won't have any issues. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.